Mukesh Ambani does not want history to be repeated in his family. There's one thing he wants to do differently than his father. Dhirubhai Ambani, who died of a stroke in 2002, had left his billion-dollar Reliance empire without a will. This mistake cost his next generation a loss of both wealth and peace. For years after Dhirubhai Ambani's death, a bitter and public feud followed that nearly tore his family apart and was seen as India's biggest sibling rivalry. Sons Mukesh and Anil Ambani bitterly fought and publicly called out each other until their mother and a divine intervention by Srinathji Temple brokered peace in the year 2005. This led to the largest split in the history of India. So what is in it for you to learn? Well, one of the most important tasks that you can complete today is to make a will now. Many of us refrain from thinking, talking, or implementing this as it brings to fore the uncomfortable thoughts of death and after death for us. What you must remember, however, is that while death is certain, it is time that is not. So a will made in time can ensure peace prevails in your family after you are gone. A will ensures a smooth transition of your assets. So how is a will made? Well, any person who has completed 18 years of age and is of a sound mind can execute a will. It is not necessary for a will to be made on a stamp paper or any stamp duty is required to be paid for it. Even on a plain paper, without any legal jargons, you can write a will. What is required is that your intention should clearly manifest from the plain reading of it. A person can include all the assets in the will which he or she can legally transfer during their lifetime. You will also need to sign it, and this will is required to be attested by at least 2 persons, one of whom preferably should be your family doctor. The witnesses are not required to know the contents of the will. The signatures of the witnesses can also be obtained at different points of time. Tax and investment expert Balwant Jain told Money9 that it is advisable to have a residue clause in the will which will take care of assets which are not clearly included in the will. So what does Money9 recommend here? Prepare your will as soon as you acquire any property, whether movable or removable. Don't wait to get married or have kids or attain a certain age to write a will. Well, that's as far as the process of will making is concerned. To know what the Hindu Succession Act says about the cases where a person dies without making a will, tune in to Money9.